everyone, so you have seen us drive these posts in so we are able to trellis our tomatoes, but today we're going to be showing you how we're going to be pulling these posts out.
Sadly, everything must come to an end and these tomatoes are done for the season.
So now we're going to be going in and cutting each of the twine to loosen it up, so once we go in and pull out the stakes, they pull out easily and we're not fighting with the string.
Today I will be using my grandfather's Tpost remover. He's had it for over 20 years. However, you can find these Tpost removers basically anywhere from Home Depot to Harbor Freight, even Amazon, and they're all reasonably priced. By using a Tpost remover, it does not bend the post, allowing you to reuse the post, and it's an easy one-man operation. The majority of our posts are wooden, so they are a little harder to work with than the traditional steel studded Tpost. With the wooden posts, some of them were not thick enough for the Tpost remover to catch and pull up the post correctly, so there was a lot of adjusting and finding the right angle for the Tpost remover to do its job. Here we have a steel studded Tpost. This is much easier to use the Tpost remover just because, as you can see, it does catch each stud perfectly and you can remove it very quickly and easily without having to adjust a lot. Luckily, I did have a friend helping me out, so with me removing the post and her moving the post out of the way, we were able to remove 2 rows of post in about 30 to 45 minutes. So the most time-consuming part of the whole process is getting the twine separated from the post. We do the Florida weave to trellis our tomatoes, so it's a lot of twine that is being used. However, we will be able to reuse the twine for other things around the farm. This part alone took us about 20 minutes to complete.
Okay, so that is how we pulled up our post. We actually have a lot of tomatoes left. However, when those tomatoes get spent as well, we will pull up those posts the exact same way we just did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.